Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And I'm going to help you answer the question, why does my Doona still feel loose even though you feel like you've installed the car seat correctly? So you've tightened the car seat, you've made sure the angle's correct, but the Doona still feels loose. The first question you need to ask yourself is where you're testing the Doona. The only place you should be testing from is near the belt path. So from either side of the car seat, you want to grab it near the blue lock-off devices on the base are. And if the base does not slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, where you're grabbing it from the base, then that's tight enough. If you're testing it from the top of the car seat or the back of the car seat, this part is going to still wobble and shake. It'll still move up and down. That's actually okay movement. The way the car seats are designed is they absorb crash force and redistribute it. And when the force is released, it's released on the back of the car seat here where nothing is being installed. So don't ever test it from the back. That's always going to move. In some cars, it moves more than others. The only place you should be testing from is where the blue lock-off is, because that's the belt path on the base. Just make sure it doesn't slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back. The car seat will also wobble and shake on the base. That's completely okay too. So make sure when you install your Doona, you follow the manual of your car seat and of your vehicle to make sure it's installed correctly. Also, check out my channel, look up Doona latch installation or Doona lap and shoulder belt installation to get a tutorial on how to install the Doona Base in your vehicle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.